LEROSETT Botanical Acne Cleanser is aloe-based, smoothing on the skin, calming, reduces redness and acne, and is so easy to use. The Botanical Acne Cleanser is fantastic for removing blackheads, pimples, and other breakouts from your face. The LEROSETT Spot Treatment and Clearing Mask is highly effective and easy to use. It can be used as a spot treatment or a clay mask. Rub the clay in between your hands and apply it to your face. Be sure to thoroughly rub it into the skin. The LEROSETT clay is the #1 tool in the arsenal against acne. Because it is drug-free and chemical-free, LEROSETT clay has been preferred by dermatologists, acne specialists, and estheticians for over 30 years. Once the clay mask has dried, the mask will remove very easily. LEROSETT Healing Serum is an aloe-based, oil-free serum. It's easy to apply and feels fantastic on the skin. Just 2 to 3 drops on the back of the hand is plenty for your face. Simply apply it to your hand, blend it in your fingers, and put it on your face like so. As you work it in, it will feel smooth and finish off your skin. The moisturizing properties begin immediately upon application. Not only is the serum moisturizing, but it reduces redness and inflammation, preventing breakouts like blackheads and pimples.